This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to a tree-lined stretch of Sheridan Road in Lakeview, just west of Lakeshore Drive, for a walk through one of the apartments at Sheridan Shores. I'm at apartment 509 studio, looking at light oak flooring that extends throughout the living areas of the apartment. Spacious living dining area. It's an efficient L-shaped kitchen, 4-burner gas range, dishwasher, cherry stained cabinetry. And I'm headed toward the bath. Closet off to my right, which would have been facing you as you walked in. 2 additional closets flanking the entry to the bath with both hanging and shelving space. You have a fresh bath with a wide mirror above the vanity and a granite countertop on the vanity. Nice sized studio. Terrific location, close to the park. Great public transit nearby. Definitely want to have this on your must-visit list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.